Many gardeners struggle with slow germination or, worse, seeds that don't sprout at all due to poor quality. But what if there was a simple trick to speed up germination from 10 days to just 2? Even better, this method also strengthens your plants and protects them from disease, using an ingredient that's completely free and already in most homes. Today we'll show you a quick and highly effective way to prepare your tomato seeds before planting. This method not only speeds up germination, but also disinfects the seeds and provides them with essential minerals for stronger, healthier plants. The key ingredient? Wood ash. This natural booster is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, critical nutrients for plant growth. It also helps protect seeds from harmful microorganisms in the soil, giving them a better start. To prepare the seed soak, mix 1 teaspoon of wood ash into half a liter of lukewarm water. Stir well and let it sit for 24 hours. After that, strain the liquid using cheesecloth to remove any solid particles. Next, spread the tomato seeds on a piece of cheesecloth. Wrap them up securely within the cheesecloth with a rubber band or string, and soak them in the ash solution for 6 hours. Once soaked, remove the seeds and rinse them with clean water. If you don't have wood ash at home, you can get it for free from restaurants that use wood-fired ovens. And don't throw away the remaining ash solution. It's a fantastic natural fertilizer for watering seedlings or foliar feeding. Now all that's left to do is plant your seeds and watch them sprout in record time. Where are you watching from? Drop a comment below. I love connecting with gardeners from all over the world. If you found this tip helpful, check out our next video on your screen. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on I added 1 drop to my tomatoes. The growth results were insane.